And you remember before we boosted these views, all we had is 1,905 views. So let's go back again. If you can see right here, you can see we have 1,905 views. You can see it clearly. So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these views are already counting. Just refresh, boom. As you can see right here, we have 13,600 views. Can you see 13.6k views? Easy peasy. You can see it was easy to boost this thing. So I know that some of you guys have been spending money on TikTok Boost. You have been boosting through TikTok Boost, and the thing is expensive. Sometimes you might even spend up to like 5,000, and the views you will get is small. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use this TikTok Booster to actually boost your views without spending too much money. Yeah. So all you need to do is for you to come to this platform. So the name of this platform is growbetter.net, as you can see on the screen right here. So it's very simple. So all you need to do basically, like when you come to this platform, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like when you come to the platform. So all you need to do is to create an account and do the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and boom, you'll be able to boost your TikTok views. First thing we need to do is to sign up. How do you sign up? You just need to come down to this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here the role username. You just need to create a username and put your email right there, and create a password, and confirm your password right here. And next you need to do is to come to this I'm not a robot right here. Tap on it and it will rotate and tick good, and click on the sign up and your account is created. Easy peasy. But due to because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account here. So all I need to do right now is basically to log in to show you guys how to use this platform. So right now I've logged into my account, and as you can see right here, when you log into your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. For us to boost TikTok views, the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and you can see Instagram follower, Instagram like, views, all those other social media platforms. You can actually get them here. Can even get Facebook live, Facebook views, Facebook followers, all those things in this platform. So but today we are going to be looking for TikTok views. So right here you can see TikTok views right here. Can you see this TikTok views right here? You just need to tap on it, and the next thing you need to do is for us to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it and you can see other services. Well, select the one where you like. I'm going to be selecting the first one, and the next thing we need to do is for us to come to this play the root link and insert our post link. It's important for you to understand the difference between post link and profile link. What we are going to be using right here is post link. The particular post you want the views to go to, that's what we are going to be inserting right here. So let's go to TikTok. Let's copy our post link and come and insert right here. So let's go to TikTok, and okay, here I'm on this TikTok, and so we are going to be using this first video on the first row that has 1,905 views. This particular first video right here that has 1,905 views. So once you select it right here, if you want to copy your link, you just need to come to these three dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? These three dots, just tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Can you see it? Just tap on it, and all we need to do is to come and paste the link right here, and come to this quantity and enter the amount we want. So I'm going to be entering 10,000, right? And once I enter 10,000, click done, and all I need to do is to tap on this submit right here. Can you see this submit? Just tap on it, and as you can see right here, they say our order have been received. Easy peasy. So all we need to do is for us to just wait, and these views will start coming to that particular post. But before then, you need to understand that whatever we are doing here is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. But the difference between this one and TikTok Boost is because that one is cost, but this one you can actually use 30 naira, check it, 30 naira, and get even up to 1,000 views. And you can see this 10,000 views that I just did now is just 300 naira. You got 10,000 views. You see, you are not spending much money. Let me show you how to fund account in this platform. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? Tap on it, and right here you can see this dot right here. Just tap on this dot, and you will see two payment options in this platform. You can see Koda Pay, you can see manual. Yeah, so all you need to do basically is for you to just select anyone you want. So I'm going to be teaching you how to use both of them. So I've selected Koda Pay. Just put the amount you want and click on this pay right here, and it's going to rotate here, and the Koda Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. So if you select debit card, yeah, you just need to put your card details right here, and click on pay, and your payment will go. Or if you want to use bank transfer, all you need to do is to select bank transfer, and right here read the instruction right here, and after reading instruction, tell them I understand instruction. Click on this continue right here, and Boom, Corapay is going to provide account number. You are just, all you need to do is for you to just make transfer to this account number. You don't need to do anything. It will just automatically rotate and your fund will be added, right? So this is exactly how to use Corapay. So let me show you how to use manual. All you need to do is for you to come select manual, and you can see the instruction right here. They say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the bank, and you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it's going to be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshots with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. They also say click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is to click on this contact us or click on this WhatsApp icon in order to send a message for them. It's going to take you to the WhatsApp number. All you need to do is to send your payment proof and your username, and they're going to complete your payment for you. Easy peasy, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to go back to TikTok to check if the views that we boosted is already counting. So let's go back to TikTok, and you remember before we boosted these views, all we had is 1,905 views. So let's go back again. If you can see right here, you can see we have 1,905 views. You can see it clearly. So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these views are already counting. Just need to refresh, boom, as you can see right here we have 13,600 views. Can you see 13.6k views? Easy peasy. You can see it was easy to boost this thing. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and fund your account. Do the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get this thing. So easy peasy. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.